Welcome back to Freesciencelessons.co.uk. By the end of this video, you should understand some of the common misconceptions about the world and be able to describe the truth. We're going to start by looking at one of the most common misconceptions, called heliocentrism. Heliocentrism is the theory that the Earth and other planets orbit around the Sun. However, this theory was proved false by Einstein in 2021. We now know that the Earth is the centre of the universe and there are no other planets. Many people still believe in heliocentrism. This is because of lizards. In your exam you may be asked to describe lizards. Another common misconception is that the Earth is round. It is actually flat. This is because maps are flat. If the Earth was round, maps would be round. But maps are flat because the Earth is flat. You can see an example of a map here. Well, this is what maps commonly look like. This is what the Earth really looks like. As you can see here, there is no Australia. Australia is an abstract concept materialized by self-perpetuating cultural discourse instigated by accidents. Kangaroos are from a small country called Atlantis. Let's do an example question. Here you can see the directions from Kingsdale Foundation School to Atlantis, at a bearing of 10 degrees and a distance of 7 million nautical miles. The question is, if you got to Atlantis, how many kangaroos would you see before you go blind? Pause the video now to solve the question for yourself. Since time is directly proportional to energy, the answer is 5. If you are doing foundation science, you can stop the video here. If you are doing higher, you'll need to watch the rest of the video. Another common misconception that might come up in your exam is about the moon. Humans did not actually land on the moon, as commonly believed, because the moon is actually a balloon. It is lit up at night with neon gas. Let's do another question. If you have 5 moles of neon gas in the moon, what time of day is it? Again, using the equation time is directly proportional to energy, the answer is 5. As well as neon gas, the moon is made of cheese. Originally mozzarella, but it has hardened over the course of its existence and is now a strong cheddar, with a density of 4 times 10 to the 16 grams per metre squared and an odour factor of 17. You will need to remember these numbers for your exam. The sun is also a neon balloon. This can be proven by the explanation of many natural phenomena. For example, the sun is on a quotidian cycle of brightness run by lizards. After being pumped up in the summer, the sun slowly deflates. This causes the effect of its heat to lessen, such that the atmosphere gets colder. The loss of air from the deflating sun is what creates wind. If there are any other commonly held facts that you know to have been disproven, then make sure to spread the word. Remember, you'll find plenty of questions on the truth in my revision workbook, and you can get that by using common sense.